The way students study has changed forever. Forget just textbooks and highlighters. AI is now the ultimate advantage. Imagine having a personal tutor, research assistant, and writing coach all for free. I've tested dozens of tools and narrowed it down to the 7 essentials every student needs. These are easy, powerful, and will transform how you learn, write, and organize. Let's dive in, starting with the tool every student should use daily. First up is ChatGPT, your always available tutor. Stuck on a tough problem at 2 a.m., ChatGPT breaks it down step by step in any subject. It's not just about answers. You can ask for simpler explanations, analogies, or even practice conversations in another language. Paste your notes and get instant study guides, summaries, or brainstorm essay ideas. The key: be specific with your prompts for the best help. It's not about shortcuts. It's about understanding faster. Used right, ChatGPT can save you hours every week. If you're not using it, you're missing out. Tired of endless Google searches? Meet Perplexity AI. Instead of 10 blue links, it gives you direct, sourced answers, instantly. It scans the web, summarizes, and cites every fact, so you can trust and verify your research. Perfect for assignments, fact checks, and building bibliographies in seconds. Ask follow-up questions and dig deeper without starting over. It turns research into a conversation, not a scavenger hunt. For students, it's a massive time saver. Notes can get messy fast. Notion AI fixes that. Highlight your chaotic notes, click Summarize, and get clean key points in seconds. Need a to-do list or simpler explanations? Just ask. Instantly turn raw data into tables or bullet points for easy review. Notion AI transforms your notes into active study tools, not just static text. It's like having an organizer and editor in one. Spend less time reformatting, more time learning. Your study sessions just got a major upgrade. Writing matters. Essays, emails, resumes. Grammarly is your AI writing coach. It catches grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes instantly. But it goes further. Get feedback on clarity, tone, and conciseness. Set your writing goal: formal, confident, analytical. And Grammarly helps you hit the mark. No more second-guessing or embarrassing errors. Many schools offer premium for free, so take advantage. Grammarly turns rough drafts into polished work, building your confidence. In 2026, submitting with mistakes is avoidable. Let AI help. Presentations don't have to be a time sink. Canva's Magic Design AI changes the game. Type your topic, and it generates a full, modern presentation. Slides, images, and all. Edit, swap content, or change colors in seconds. No more blank screens or design stress. Start with a polished draft, and focus on your message. It's perfect for last-minute projects or making your work stand out. Anyone can create pro-level slides, fast. Can't catch every word in class? Otter.ai records and transcribes lectures in real time. Search transcripts for keywords, jump to exact moments, and review summaries instantly. Add highlights, comments, or images to your notes. Focus on understanding, not frantic typing. Otter ensures you never miss a detail, even if your mind wanders. It's the ultimate lecture safety net. For math, science, or engineering, Wolfram Alpha is essential. Enter equations or data, and it gives step-by-step solutions, not just answers. See every calculation, graph, and explanation. Use it for calculus, chemistry, physics, or stats. No more manual errors. It's like a supercharged calculator and tutor in one. Learn the process, not just the result. For STEM students, it's a must-have. These 7 free AI tools can transform your student life in 2026. AI isn't about shortcuts, it's about learning smarter and faster. Knowing how to use AI is now a core skill, not a gray area. Mastering prompts, verifying sources, and structuring your work with AI sets you apart. In 2026, AI is not cheating, it's essential. Start with one tool today and level up your learning. For more AI tips and study hacks, hit like, subscribe, and see you next time.